Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have JBL Tune Flex headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily modify gestures. And first we have to open our app. Now we have to click on our headphones. Now we have to scroll a little down until we see gestures. We have to click on it. And now we can change our left earbud and our right earbud. We can change ambient sound control to volume control, playback control or none. We can change double tap and tap and hold. We can change call control, double tap and tap and hold. We can change right and the rest of them. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.